Thank you for giving this opportunity. Here's a bit about myself. I'm a software developer having experience in front-end and database to develop the responsive web applications. I've completed my Bachelor of Engineering and was working as software engineer at NICE Software Solutions. I've worked on web-based applications which include logistics, warehousing and ERPM's domains. My experience is on developing dynamic front-end UI on Angular and databases, UAT testing, deployment and version controlling. I'm aware of using project management tool like Git and Jira and agile methodology of working. I'm looking forward to work on databases. Along with that, I've working experience of CO projects as well. Apart from these, my personal interests include learning new things, getting socialized, even more, taking initiatives. I feel ready to take my career to the next level and currently looking for a new opportunity. This position seems like a great opportunity to build my career, challenging and continue advancing my skills for the benefit of the company. And that's what brings here me today, so I'm excited to learn more about this opportunity.